used a picnic roast to smoke some pulled pork for my wife back there because she loves it. A very simple mustard rub and some sweet preacher, and then in there, since it's low and slow, I've got a water pan to make sure things stay moist and good, because this is a set and forget kind of long process. Go, time to let the magic happen. Gonna clean her up again once I'm done, because I want to take care of this beautiful new beast. We're getting somewhere. A pack of garlic butter potatoes and garlic butter mushrooms to go with the pork. 8 hours, it is pulling pretty well. My wife's favorite local sauce. I'm just gonna hand toss this pork in there. Nothing, buddy, making pork. Some pulled picnic roast. Tender, soft, tasty. Worth the time you put into it, that's for sure. Good meats. Hobo garlic butter shrooms. Delicious. Absolutely. Made for the smoker. Hobo butter garlic. Potato. Dropped a bit. Melt in your mouth. Delicious. Smoker and grill. Can do anything.